Alright, so today we got something pretty cool going on here. We got this antique, it's kind of like an antique BB gun. I don't think I'm going to be shooting this today, but take a look at it. It cocks like that, bonk, and then you just put your BBs down in here. It's a 22 actually, caliber. So anyway, today we're going to be shooting the Glock 17. It is it's CO2 powered, and you just load the BBs right here. You have a little lock mechanism. When you pull this down, this locks over, and the BBs go in here. So once you put it in there like that, it's already cocked and ready to go. So we're going to try 25 yards, see how accurate we can get with this thing. Shoot the big jihad and over his shoulder. Oop, right below him. Ooh, it's throwing two BBs at one time. Oop. Ah, we got him. Missed him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oop, missed him. Got him. Thing's pretty dang accurate. So literally you could, it's just like a Glock 17. I mean, the size and the weight, everything is the same. So it's pretty cool. I like it. You can sit at your house and shoot if you don't have a range. It's the same feeling as a Glock 17.